Okay, so today we're gonna do some one-step algebraic equations. So we have this equation, x plus 5 equals 7. So first, we have to get this x by itself. So what we can do is we have to get rid of this 5 from this left side so that we can get x by itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So we subtracted 5 from this side. Now we have to subtract 5 from the right side. So we have x still. And then positive 5 minus 5 is 0. And then 7 minus 5 is 2. So we got that x is equal to 2. Okay. Now we'll do some with subtraction. So to get the x by itself on this one, we're going to add 2 to both sides, because when we subtract 2, to get rid of it, we have to add 2. So we have to get this x by itself, so we're going to add 2 to both sides. And we have to remember to add 2 to not just the left side or not just the right side, but to both sides. So we're going to have x again. Negative 2 plus 2 is going to be 0. Equals 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have x is equal to 10. Okay, now we're going to do one. So the previous ones were we would add x or subtract something from x. So now we have this 7 that's multiplied by x. So how do we get rid of the 7 that's multiplied by x? We divide both sides by 7. So we have to divide this entire side by 7. So we have to divide this side by 7, and we have to remember to divide this side by 7. So 7, x over 7, this 7 and this 7 cancels out, so we're left with x, and then we have bring down this equals 14 divided by 7 is 2. So x equals 2. Now we can check our work. So to do that, we plug in 2 for x. So our original equation was 7 times x, so we have 2. So is that equal to 14? So 7 times 2 is 14. And 14 is equal to 14. So we're for sure that x is equal to 2. Okay, so now we have the last one. We had something multiplied by x, but this time something is divided by x. So to get the x by itself, we have to multiply both sides by 3, because the opposite of division is multiplication. So now we have to multiply both sides by 3. So we're going to multiply this side and this side by 3. Okay, can't forget to multiply both sides by 3. So now we have 3 times x over 3. So the 3 on this side and the 3 and the x over 3, this 3 cancels out. So we have x equals 7 times 3 is 21. So now we want to check our work. So we plug in x as 21. So our original equation was x divided by 3 equals 7. So we're going to do 21 divided by 3. And we're going to check if that is equal to 7. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. And 7 is equal to 7. So that is correct.